dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So, dear students, today let we start GK Unit 7, Science and Technology, Chapter number 41, Different Streams of Science. So, let me start. Every field of study has a name associated with it. Let's see how many of them you know. Use the clue box for help. Number 1, study of the structure of the body. So, answer is anatomy. Number 2, study of life, biology. Number 3, science of making maps and globes. So, the answer is cartography. Next, number 4, study of the earth. So, this is geology. Question number 5, study of language. This is linguistics. Number 6, study of animals. So, this is zoology. Okay. Question number 7, study of the positions of celestial bodies in space. Astrology. Number 8, study of relationships between organisms and their environment. It is ecology. Number 9, act of cultivation of a garden. It is horticulture. Number 10, science of knowledge or wisdom. It is philosophy. Okay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 42. Great inventors. Students, pictures of some great scientists and their fields of achievements are given here. Recognize them. Number 1, the Indian rocket scientist, also called the Missile Man of India, and he was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1997. So his name is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Number 2, this Polish scientist was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person to win this prize twice. She developed the theory of radioactivity. So, her name is Marie Curie. Number 3, he was a Scottish scientist who discovered penicillin, the world's first antibiotic substance. So, his name is Alexander Fleming. Number 4, he was a renowned scientist of the USA. As an inventor, he is known for the lightning rod, bifocals, and the Franklin stove. So his name is Benjamin Franklin. Next, number 5. He was the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission and also the first chairman of the Indian National Committee for Space Research. He set up the Thumba rocket station. So his name is Vikram Sarabhai. Number 6. He was an Indian physicist, father of Indian nuclear science, responsible for creating the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. So the name is Homi J. Bhabha. Next one, number 7. He was an Italian scientist and the inventor of the electric battery. So the name is Alessandro Volta. Number 8. He was a French scientist renowned for his discoveries of the principles of vaccination, pasteurization, and microbial fermentation. So his name is Louis Pasteur. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. Science and studies. So students, every field of study has name associated with it. Let's see how many of them you know. Number 1, study of the structure of the body, anatomy. So the answer is anatomy. Number 2, next study of life, biology. Next, number 3, science of making maps and globes, cartography. Number 4, study of earth, geology. Number 5, study of language, linguistic. Number 6, study of animals, zoology. Question number 7, study of the position of celestial bodies in space, astrology. Number 8, study of relationship between organisms and their environment. Number 8 is ecology. Number 9, art of cultivation of a garden, horticulture. Number 10, science of knowledge or wisdom, philosophy. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 45. Machines on wheels. So, some vehicles are meant to perform some specific tasks. One can easily see them serving the society in many ways. So, students, can you identify these vehicles? So, let me start. Number one, it is used to lift and lower the heavy materials at construction sites. So, this is crane. Farmers use this wonder machine to increase their yield. Tractor. Number three, it is used to extinguish fire. It is kept in a fire station. This is fire engine. Number four, it is used to carry patients and injured people to hospital. Ambulance. Next, number five, this vehicles is used at construction sites to push a huge quantity of soil and rubble. Bulldozer. Number six, we produce a large quantity of waste materials every day. This vehicle is used to carry waste and other garbage. Garbage truck. Okay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. Computer study. So, students, question number A, circle the odd one in each set. Okay. Number one, microphone, scanner, mouse, plotter. Okay, because others are input devices. Number two is cookie, because others are keys of a keyboard, insert, scroll lock, print screen. So these are the keys. Number three, ROM, DVD, RAM, and keyboard. So these are the memory devices. Keyboard is different. Number four, calculator, paint, print, notepad. So the calculator, paint, print, and notepad. Print, because others are accessories of the computer. Number five, left, top, justify, and center. Top, because others are types of alignment. Okay. Now, question number B, write the answer, choose from the clue box. Okay. Number one, where are the deleted files stored in a computer? Recycle bin. Number two, what appears on the computer screen when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time? So this is screensaver. Number three, what is a combination of text, graphics, sound, animation, and video in computers called? Multimedia. Number 4. What is the name of the portable memory device that is smaller than a CD? Pen drive. Number 5. In which unit is the memory of a computer measured? Byte. Number 6. What is the arrangement of the text with respect to the margins in a document called alignment? Alignment. Okay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 47. Human science. So, students, an ailment of diseases can upset the normal functioning of our body. So, usually, a particular diseases affects a particular part of the body. So now match these alignments and match these ailments with the affected body parts. Let me start. Number 1, Gotra. Option C, throat. Next, polio. Option I, nervous system. Number 3, typhoid. Option D, intestine. Number 4, jaundice. Option E, liver. Number 5, ulcer. Option J, stomach. Number 6, eczema. Skin. Option H. Number 7, cataract. Option A, eyes. Number 8, pneumonia. Which body part affected by pneumonia? Okay, option B, lungs. Number 9, Alzheimer's. Brain. Option G. In the last one, pyorrhea. Option F, teeth. Okay. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 48. Looking up a dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of words with their meanings in an alphabetical order. Which of the following words will appear first in an English dictionary? Number 1, June or July. June or July comes before July. Number 2, Wednesday or Thursday comes before Thursday. Comes before Thursday because W comes before T. Because W comes before T. Okay. Number 3, winter or spring comes before spring. Winter, spring comes before spring because W comes before S. Okay. Because W comes before S. Number 4, herring or hen comes before hen. Because H comes before H. Number 5, phantom or Tintin comes before Tintin. Comes before Tintin. Because P comes before E. Number 6, Independence Day or Republic Day comes before Republic Day because I comes before R. Day because I comes before R. Number 7, Diwali or Holi comes before Holi because D comes before H. Number 8, television or telephone comes before telephone because T comes before T. Number 9, father or mother comes before mother because F comes before M. Number 10, lunch or dinner comes before dinner because L comes before D. L comes before D. 11, brother or sister comes before sister because B comes before S. Number 12, mobile or computer comes before computer because M comes before C. Number 13, Shinchan or Doraemon comes before Doraemon because S comes before D. S comes before D. Number 14, summer or rainy comes before rainy because S comes before R. Number 15, men or women? Comes before woman because M comes before W. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.